Hey, it's Reg doing my generator enclosure video. As you can see, I have my lumber for my generator enclosure here, all pre-cut. Vents. Going to use that fan. Hinges and stuff. It's going to be fun. Okay, we got the two sides and the back wall framed out here. Going to now attach the boards to them, so they'll be pre-assembled. Okay, these are my pieces pre-assembled. For the back and the sides. Okay, it's all tacked together now, just temporarily, just like a test spot. Okay, my trial test fit. And as you can see, the exhaust will go out of the rear, or I could just put a coupling on and shoot it straight, but I wanted to go out of the rear, out the rear side. The test fit with what will be the doors. Okay, so I disassembled the shed from the garage and reassembled it out here. Here it is, pre-paint and pre-decorative stuff. Gotta put the handles on. Got the hole there that I'm going to put the electrical box on, with the hole for the cord to run through. Got a vent there. I secured it with lag bolts. Purpose for that is if I ever wanted to take it apart and move it, it would be easy. Got the vents back there. Hardy backer board, that's going to be the exhaust port. Got that off of another guy's video about, being non-combustible. See inside of the house. I set it on a little bit on some pavers my buddy had, my coworker had, a guy in my crew. He got a bunch of pavers he was trying to get rid of, so I made a little floor out of that and set a piece of plywood on top of it. just like a couple of the others. I got the roof that lifts up. On there, say put the lag bolts also. So like I say, this thing will disassemble no problem. Okay, so now it's time to paint. Okay, so here's my little shed with some paint on it. Had some aqua guard in the aqua defense left over. Had it in there, put that on the roof rather than shingles. Put a couple coats on so I won't have a bunch of nails going through the top. No fancy schmancy decorations right now, but it works. Okay, so the generator's inside the little house. It's all set up and ready to go. This is the way the side port will be when it's running. I have a much longer cord than this 30-footer that'll reach the house. It's going to run on the propane. This is, like I said, a tri-fuel generator. There's the exhaust. It's coming out of there. The muffler going out the exhaust port. Got my union on there, like I said, in case I gotta move the generator. Just undo the union and get her out of here. I just gotta install my fan and I'm done. If I were to run her and close her all up, that's what she looked like.